Hi everyone! So this week I decided to share with you this green smoothie recipe. I actually make this every single morning and drink it. Usually when I wake up in the mornings I don't have that much of an appetite, but I still try and get some fruits and veggies in, so I really recommend this as an easy way to do so. So these are the ingredients you will need. And you're also going to need a blender. So I have a Ninja blender and I find that these are really easy and convenient to use for smoothies because they have a smoothie option, but any blender should work. So first you're going to chop a quarter of a cucumber, and next you're going to add a cup of mango. You'll also add in a handful of spinach and about a cup of pineapple. Next, add the desired amount of coconut water. Next, it's time to blend this on high. So as you can see, mine is kind of like thick, so later on I'm going to add more coconut water. Just do it however you want the consistency to be. If you like it thicker, leave it like that, but I like mine more like a juice. So here I am adding more coconut water and blending on high. So that's all, and I really hope you enjoy your smoothie. Bye guys!